Let's begin. My name is Dorota Wołodkiewicz, how Maria says. I'm the development director at Premium Solutions. And a brief introduction our company. 22 years ago, we started a small cut and CAM team specialist. And today, after 2 decades, we have hundreds of implementation, thousands of hours of training, and many successes achieved our clients. Yes, 22 years, but the same mission, shaping the future of industry. It's our promise. Every project, training, and implementation aims to truly speed up and improve product process in Polish factories. We became a trusted partner for hundreds of companies, offering full CAD, CAM, PDM, MES solutions, engineering services, training, technical support, CNC production, and partnership approach at every step. Some figures. 20 years of experience in CAD/CAM software sales. 4,000 plus satisfied clients from various industrial sectors. 5,000 plus training participants and certification process. And 20,000 plus hours of training. 6 branches and training centers in Poland. Wrocław, Warszawa, Tychy, Łódź, Oborniki, Nir, Poznań, and Nowa Sól. This means our experts are always close to clients, and service like implementation and training are fast and local. And one CNC technology and production center in Wrocław. Our team. We employ over 60 experts, CAD, CAM engineers, consultants, trainers, and production technology specialists. Each has proven skills, and their daily experience leads to our client success. Our particular pride is our technical team, our technical department, CAD and CAM team. Long established certificate team and of high committed professionals. Our portfolio from idea to implementation, software training and certification, implementation, technical support, and engineering services. Our service covered the entire software lifecycle, from consulting and selection to implementation and support for CAD, CAM, PDM, and MES solution, including ENCY. Training, authorized courses, and certification. Our training center in Wrocław, Nowa Sól, Warszawa, Oborniki, Nir, Wrocław. Each location has equipment and programs for particular training, and we teach software use in really small groups. Engineering services, design, simulation, reverse engineering. Technology and production center. The CTP in Wrocław is located within the Wrocław Science and Technology Park. CNC production, milling, turning, prototyping, 2D, 3D design, product validation, reverse engineering. All those areas work together to create turnkey solution. We set up ENCY on anything from CNC machines to robots in whatever configuration you need. Example implementation of software setup for robot cutting. Another one, software setup for multi-head heavy industry machinery. And the last one, software setup for 6D knife cutting. Okay, our technical support. Our clients have access to technical support. This includes a hotline and remote help for immediate response, with reply time under 2 hours. We also offer on-site support. We are engineer visit clients if problem needs physical helps. We provide PDM service, updates, and expansion full system care. We actively participate in the biggest industrial fair in Poland, presenting ENCY. We show live demos on ENCY Cam and ENCY Robot. Fairs are not just for promotion. For us, they are also for sharing knowledge and getting idea for future growth. We also hold special CNC meetings where we show how ENCY works. We take a part of fairs and presentation, and we also share ENCY online. Our online training is popular. Over 700 people in Poland watched the last webinar recording. We are Polish company, but we follow global standards. Our focus on quality, teamwork, and quick action makes us a reliable partner built on cooperation and trust. Okay. Thank you very much for invitation to the conference, and I wish Premium Solution and ENCY many more grateful success in the years to come.